Top 5 Social Media AI Tools.
1.
Lately. Mainly associated with AI-powered social media management, automated content creation and scheduling, social media analytics and reporting.
2.
emplify.io. Mainly associated with influencer dashboard tool, advanced audience insights, multi-channel management.
3.
Buffer. Mainly associated with social media management platform, schedule and publish social posts, analytics and performance tracking.
4.
HelloWafi. Mainly associated with AI-powered social media assistant, content creation and scheduling tool, hashtag and caption optimization.
5.
OCOYA. Mainly associated with great application for community management, user-friendly that helps to boost social media content, marketing automation tool. Follow Skypath Digital for more digital marketing content.